From seed to plant to harvest, the farming process is one full of techniques and machines to ensure the most bountiful and sustainable harvest possible. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some great farming machinery for you to learn more about. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. First up, you will discover how VIVAISTICA de Andrea produces 4 million rooted grafted vines per year. The grapevine roots consist of a wood framework that can be regrown into full plants if dealt with properly. First, the rootstock of vines which exhibit good fruiting characteristics are selected. These are destemmed using machines and cut to a particular length. Hydration and antifungal treatment keep it safe. Scion, the upper part of the grapevine, goes through the same procedure. After that, both parts are grafted together and waxed before packing to protect the bud and the graft union. The prepared grafted vines are put in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment until the top, root, and callus development fulfill field planting or potting requirements. These are planted in rows according to the graft lot number. They may be kept in field nurseries for 8 months and are carefully monitored for nutritional levels, pests, and diseases. The AGROMILLORA Group is a worldwide leader in the nursery sector, producing fruit trees and olive trees with the highest genetic and health standards. Usually, almond drupes, or the fruiting bodies of almond trees, grow on deciduous trees ranging from 13 to 33 feet in height. However, super high-density almonds developed by the AGROMILLORA Group are raised to 9 feet, which ease harvesting. Instead of using shakers, sweepers, and collectors separately, AGROMILLORA uses a single machine to do the job in a single pass. It saves a lot of time, fuel, and money. These super high-density almonds are now being grown on 13,000 acres in various parts of the world, including California, Spain, Italy, Morocco, Chile, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey. Next, we have a cotton harvester manufactured by PAMUK. It can harvest without using detergent or any other fluid and automatically stores the harvested cotton. This machine enables clean, high-speed, and productive cutting with a chain scraping unit. Its double row and combined shifting system allow the harvesting of 2 rows at a time. It requires a tractor with 75 horsepower and a Category 2 hanging system. The operator can adjust the line distance between 60 and 80 centimeters. Even in the worst conditions, this harvester can move at 15 kilometers per hour. Next, we have the Cirrus 6003, a seed cultivator that can plow, sow, and mulch in a single pass. It is known for delivering superb quality of work. The unit has coulter discs at the front which rip up the earth, while the till discs move the soil in the seed row. The seeds come from its 4,000-liter hopper, which is available with a multi-chamber for sowing different seed types in one go. Lastly, its rear coulter unit exerts 100 kilograms of pressure, planting precisely at high forward speed. The Cirrus 6003 provides a working width of 3 to 6 meters, and can also be equipped with different disc types and equipment according to the soil conditions. Next, we have the Red Viper from Zimmerman. It is a manure injector designed for both low and high gallon users. It is capable of 20,000 plus gigapascals, injecting manure with maximum nutrient intake while causing minimal damage to the soil. Its coulter discs keep the machine from clogging in moist or heavy residual dirt. The Red Viper features individual row swivels, 10 inches of Hydroflex travel, and heavy-duty greaseless bearings. Its closer wheels can be adjusted to provide better down pressure. Thanks to its dragline unit, manuring is now possible without a tanker. It keeps the hosepipe away from the tractor's path. Last but not least, we have the Contour King ST. It was developed to manage residue without destructive tillage. It improves efficiency during the early stages of plant development while reducing environmental impact. You can attach it to a tank or drag toolbars. It features a 3/8-inch wall, 7x7 tubing, and a wing hinge on a 2.5-inch pin. To prevent corrosion, all of its components are coated with chemical-resistant powder. In short, it's the best berm builder on the market, eliminating the challenges of compaction and high residue environments that result in uneven seedling emergence. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more interesting agricultural machines. Feel free to like and subscribe, it's always a big help to us. And with that, we'll see you next time.